Hey guys, it's Ben from Hilltop Packs, and today I want to show off our new cord winder from Hilltop Packs. We do make this right here. It is made from renewable resources. This is not a plastic that would be bad for the planet. It is biodegradable. It's about 4 inches long, maybe an inch and a half wide or 2 inches wide. I forget exactly what it is. All the dimensions are on the website. But it is less than a half an ounce, weighs almost nothing. Just helps keep your line more organized inside your stuff sacks from campsite to campsite. Fits in there perfectly, at least all the rucksacks that we sell here. And it does hold 50 feet of line, whether it's Dyneema or some other kind of ultralight cord, either 1.75 or 2.2. I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like without the cord on it next. Closer look of the cord winder. Again, we 3D print these here at the shop at Hilltop Packs. And again, it's made from renewable resources, which is pretty cool. It's also biodegradable. Put our little logo on there. Got a bunch of little holes in it. Just kind of cut out some of the extra weight that you don't need. Thing weighs less than a half an ounce, super lightweight. If you have any questions, hit us up on the website, on the YouTube channel, whatever, social media. Answer those questions as best as we can. Thank you so much for watching. We'll talk to you next time.